So back in my day, these are the type of cars you would see at a car show or a car meet. You know, muscle cars. You'd see them drag racing and who's faster, who's prettier, popping the hood. Car community. Funny thing is, I noticed that there is actually a car meet across the street. Right over there. I'm gonna twist that. Sorry guys. What do you guys say? All the boys and girls in Webland. Should we go check it out? See what a 2023 car meet looks like? Almost there. Four-door. All right, let's get closer. All right. Got a Lambo. Got a Lambo. Got a Gixxer. Ready. How about that Toyota? Ferrari. I know most of you guys want to see this Toyota. BMW. That is a pretty Ferrari. Looks like a wrap job. Let's go in deeper. That's what she said. Got a Camaro. Pretty. I don't understand why Dodge didn't make these two doors. They should have made them two doors. You know what's missing here? And there is some cool cars. I don't see one old car. No muscle. No old Detroit steel. Huh. Let's go deeper. Pretty ragtop Mustang. Got a Ford Lightning. Little Challenger action. Minivan SUV something. Alright, let's swing over to the other side. I'm hungry actually. We should order a burger. Let's take a look at the menu. You guys hungry? Let's look at some more cars. Looks like this is the Asian side of things over here. You got a Z, a Prelude. I don't know why, but there is a big group of Miata lovers. That is quite the wing. Damn, you can almost fly with that thing. The car is so small. That wing is at least a third of the car. There's the newer. And again, the newer. Let's switch back over here. What do we got? Supras. I don't know. Still a fan of the Italians. I love cars that are a vent and a car built around the vents. And you see that a lot with the Italians. Pretty. All right, let's take a break. I think these guys are lining up to race. Let's pause it until they get out on the road. There goes the Ferrari. Got a pretty Lexus. And that is about that, but kind of cool. A few Ferrari, a little exotic, a couple Lambos. It is what it is. Not one muscle car. So let's head back to the shop. We really should get this stroked Mustang out and show them what's what. Show them what's what. You guys have a good night. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Love and peace. Talk to you guys soon. Subscribe for more videos.